Hi, I'm Stu with Caseco, here to demo the HD Premium Screen Patrol from Caseco for the S8, S9, and the Pluses. Curved glass has been a problem for everybody. First step to beat that problem is clean your device perfectly. We offer a cleaning kit. You have a microfiber towel. Make sure you get any dust particles off of there. Secondly, an anti-static cleaning cloth. This guy's a little wet, so be careful. Unfold like so. Second step to make your life easier, application tray. Make sure all four corners are down tight. And if you end up touching the screen a bit, you can go back, grab your cloth, and clean those corners up. Third, glass. Go ahead and grab the tab and remove very easily. Use the supplied bubble removing card. Take your application tray off. And there you have it. If there's any bubbles left over, give it a few minutes. It might take a half a day, but they'll eventually push out. You can trust us with Caseco. Hi guys, Stu's back. Been getting a lot of questions from our customers on how well the glue actually works. Well, I'm here to pull it off right now, and as you can see, it is extremely difficult. It is still stuck throughout the edges, throughout the middle. So there you have it. You can see how well this tempered glass glue really does adhere.